Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to unlink an EA account from Steam. All right, so you can only unlink your Steam account from your EA account via the EA website. You cannot do it through Steam. Okay, I hope it's clear. So to go ahead and open up your EA account, just go ahead over to your favorite browser. It could be on your mobile device, computer, or console if it supports a web browser. And then just go ahead and go to myaccount.ea.com and then just hit on enter. Wait for it to load, and then once it loads, if it asks you to log in, so just go ahead and log in. And then once that's done, go ahead over to connected accounts right here at the left panel. Click on it. Now scroll down a bit and find Steam. Go ahead and click on a link right here beside Steam, and then go ahead and click on send code. All right. Now enter the verification code that was sent to this email, and then click on submit. And once done, you're good to go. Now, important things to know, or important things to keep in mind, once you unlink your Steam account, okay, you cannot link it to a different EA account or unlink it again for 6 months. Any in-game rewards, points, or DLC associated with your games will stay with the original EA account you are unlinking from, and you cannot transfer them to a new EA account. All right? And that is how you unlink an EA account from Steam. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.